because the shirt is 0 up to all the way to 100. And this is the money. The largest amount down here was 560 and 800. The equation here was 160 plus 4x, and this is 8x, right? So you got all the numbers in, and you put the numbers in here. So this was by 2.5 each, so every other one is 5. That accommodate up to 50 shirts. Basically, all we need up really is to 50 shirts. It's 360, and I guess that's what you guys were asking. Why not? Because it's up to 100, should be more. No, it shouldn't. They just give you a number. We can estimate where 100 would be. But if you add it in there to incorporate 100, making each one 10, that's fine. Or each one of them 5 up to 100, that's perfectly fine. There's many ways to do the interval. But we're just copying the book way. Okay? This is the graph. Okay. So you graph your first coordinate, which was 0. First coordinate was 0, 160. Okay. At 0 shirts, this is saying at 0 shirt it will cost you, this is the cost, at 0 shirt it will cost you $160, and you will make $0. So $0, 0 shirt, $0. This is income. Alright? So you go 0, 160, because for 0 number of shirt it costs you $160 for the setup fee. So 0, 160 right there. And then the profit you made. Now, let's do the cost first. Let's stick to the cost. Let's graph all the cost. Okay, so 10 shirts will cost you, at 10 shirts, it's going to cost you exactly $200. So 10, 200. 10 shirt costs you 200. 20 shirts, it'll cost you 240, because put 20 in here, that's 80. So 240 at 20 shirts. Okay? 35 shirts, it will cost you, put 35 in where X is, and multiply, add 160, it will cost you $300. Okay? 35 shirts, $300. Okay, let's graph your cost. So you graph your cost at 0, 160 and 10, 200. We may do this again tomorrow. 10, 200. And then we got 20, 240. Okay, and then 35, 300. Right there. 50 is 400. all the way up to here. Okay, so that's our line. Well, it's not straight. Did I do it right? Because it should be a nice straight line. 35, 300, yep. Did I count right? I think so. Why does it look off though? Oh, because 50 is 360 and not 400. Haha, you see how I check myself, guys? Because it didn't line up. You guys need to do the same. Okay, let's do now. This is the cost line. And then the income line, okay, for 10 t-shirts, you'll make $80 because 10 times 8. Each shirt is $8. We may need to do this again so you guys understand it better tomorrow. I may have rushed it too much. 20, want to see who can understand it though. 20 t-shirts will make you $160. So 10 t-shirts will make you $80. 20 t-shirts will make you $160. And then 35 t-shirts will make you 35 times 8 is $280. And 50 will make you $400. So 50 will make you $400. It's not total profit. It's just income. This is called income. The money coming in. Okay, so let's put these points on the on the graph. Okay, 10 shirts for 80, 20, and then 35 for 280, and then 50 for 400. We'll just ignore 100. Okay, so 0, 0. 0 shirt, you sold 0 shirt, you made $0. You sold 10 shirt, you collected $80. Sold 20 shirt, you collected $160. 35 shirts, you $280. Aha, look. That's when you make $0. It's called break-even point. 35 at and then 50 is 400. Connect those dots. Should be a nice. It didn't work out. Did I get my 20 wrong? 2160, 1080, 35, it's 280, 50, 400. Should make a nice straight line. Oh, that's because, hold on. Oh, 35 to 80 right here. Oh, silly me. I'm graphing so careless. Okay. Take this off. Oh no. I meant for it to be, okay, we'll just shade it back over on top with purple, okay? There we go. 35 to 80. I put it at 300. Oh geez, that was 300. This is 280 right here. See, you always double check, you guys. If it isn't right, that means you're graphing wrong. Don't make crooked lines. Alright. So looks like our break-even point let's do this better. Wish I had a straight edge. There we go. It's about right there. Right there. That looks... Let me see. Let's get this a little bit straighter. I hope you guys use a ruler. And 20 is 240. Okay. And this one here. There. That's straighter. Well, anyways. Should look something like that. Use a straight edge. Alright. Use your graph to answer each question. Describe your reasoning each term. Determine the number of long sleeve t-shirt which the cost is greater than the income. Determine the number of t-shirt which the cost is greater than income. When is the cost larger? Oh, that's a lot. Basically, the cost is more. If you look at the table, cost is more still at 35. Okay? The cost is more. Look at the table. The cost is more up to right there. And right there, oh, let's say about 40. Up to 40, the cost is still more. A little bit after, the cost is the same. So, the cost is greater than the income at 40 or less long sleeve t-shirt. When will, okay, determine the number of long sleeve t-shirt for which income is greater than the cost. When is income greater than cost? Okay, the black line is the income line. When is it greater? When is it higher? Right here. I'll do it in blue. So, possibly more than 40. Looks like they have to sell more than 40. That's when it gets more. Okay, a little bit more than 40. I think 40 is the magical number because this graph isn't accurate. But income is greater after 40 t-shirts. More than 40. Income is greater than cost after 40 t-shirts. Determine when the cost is equal to income. Okay, it's where the line crosses. So the line crossed about at 40, not quite 40. Okay, this line here is 42.5. So based on my graph, it's about 42.5. Okay? So I'm going to keep to that. Some of you may be at 40. I think if you have a ruler at 40 is more accurate. But, so this should say 42 less than 42, less than 42, or greater than 42. So determine the cost when it, the cost equal to income. 42 t-shirts is when the cost equal to income. Okay? And that's all I wanted you to do. That's called the break-even point. I'll go over these tomorrow. Anyways. Problem 2. I'll stop and upload problem 1.